Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to give a review of one of the best engineering colleges, Poddar Institute of Management and Technology. So in this video I will provide you the cutoffs, the fee structure, the placement and the infrastructure of the institute. So watch this video till the end if you are interested and concerned about getting yourself enrolled in the respected institute. The institute was established in 1999 by B.P. Poddar Foundation for Education, and it ranks as one of the best engineering colleges in Kolkata under WBJEE. So it is also affiliated with Macau and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education. So it provides various B.Tech courses which are accredited under National Board of Accreditation. So MCA, M.Tech, BBA, BCA are also there as well. The engineering campus is located at VIP Road near Haldirams, and it has a second campus which is located in Sector 5, Salt Lake, which offers undergraduate programs for students who are in the field of management and technology. And the admission office of the institute is located at 87 Park Street, Kolkata. To get admission, B.Tech students will have to qualify the following entrances: WBJEE, JEE, or direct admission through management quota. So I will start with the cutoff of the recent year 2023 of both WBJEE and JEE. First, let's start with the WBJEE cutoff. You can see in the table which shows the cutoff for each streams. And this year it can vary depending upon the number of candidates appearing for the exams, number of seats available in the institute, and the difficulty level of the exam. And the next is the JEE cutoff. The factor for this year cutoff remains the same as I mentioned. With this, you can have a rough assumption of what minimum requirement is needed to qualify to get into B.P. Poddar Institute of Management and Technology. Now coming on to the fee structure of the college. This is the structure extended with the other requirements too. For B.Tech, the total fee is Rs 4,94,000 including admission of Rs 10,000, and at the time of admission, which includes development fee, library cum book bank fee, student welfare, sports and game fee, caution deposit is Rs 99,575, and there's also a one-time registration fee which is to be paid at the time of registration, which is Rs 2,700. And for B.Tech lateral entry students, the fees is 2,52,000 including admission of Rs 10,000, and at the time of admission it is 98,575, which includes other fee as well. For MCA, the total fee is Rs 2,10,000 including admission of Rs 10,000, and at the time of admission you will have to pay an amount of Rs 81,000. For M.Tech, the total fee is Rs 2,10,000 including admission of Rs 10,000, and at the time of admission it's the same, you will have to pay Rs of 81,000. For BBA or BBA in Business Analytics or BCA, the total fee is 3,66,000 including admission of Rs 10,000, and at the time of admission you will have to pay an amount of Rs 65,000. Talking about the placement, the highest package received in B.P. Poddar Institute of Management and Technology is Rs 12 lakh per annum last session. So the placement records has been fluctuating for the last 3 years, and despite that it's still doing quite good. And the placement record in the year 2021 and 22 was 94.24%, and in the next year, which is 2022 and 23, it reduced by 15%, which was 79.24%, and in the current year 2023 and 24 it's 63.67% and still going. Based on the recent records for placement, recruiters such as Airbus, Nomura, PwC, EY, ICRA, TCG, Janpac, etc. came for campus placement. And IBM, HSBC also came for recruitment in the 2022 and 23 session, and at that time the highest package received by students was around like 11 lakh per annum. It was, to be like precise, it was 11 lakh per annum. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that the B.Tech courses are accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation. So the placement of that branch is quite good in terms of placement records and packages. Coming back to infrastructure, the infrastructure facilities of the college is amazing. It has central facilities such as library, canteen, language lab, healthcare facilities. And the institute has 2 computer centers, one for undergraduate courses and another for postgraduate courses, consisting of 100 computers with the latest configuration. And it has its specialized lab of computers, which would be around 10 different labs like C programming and data structure lab, operations research lab, numerical methods and programming principles lab, artificial intelligence lab, and many more. In addition, it also provides hostel accommodation for both boys and girls. And for boys, the capacity is around 100, and for girls, it's around, I think, 60. And since there is anti-ragging committee, so no form of ragging takes place inside the college or hostel. And there is also a conference room for meetings, plus providing internet facilities to the students so that they can get access to informations. And sports and game facilities are also given importance for both outdoor and indoor sports. And the institute has spacious facilities for indoor events such as table tennis, carom and chess. And annual sports is also organized every year at the NKDS stadium, and where sports like football, cricket, throwball, etc. are being organized. You can see the college is well equipped in terms of amenities, whether it's academics, safety, accommodation, health and wellness, or personal affair. So these were the topics I wanted to cover in today's video. And remember, BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology is a Tier 2 college, which is an above average college for students wanting to pursue engineering. And in addition, it has the second largest student chapter in Asia, and the chapter receives around rupees 70,000 as a grant to organize different activities. And students also get the chance to go to abroad to various conference, which actually opens a wide door of opportunities for individuals. So friends, if you want to know more about it and have any doubts or queries, Oracle Ninja's education team is there to help you personally, because our aim is to help you find a better option to pursue your education. And if you find this video useful, do share and subscribe and support us throughout our journey, as it motivates me to create more content on these types of topics. So thank you for watching this video. See you.